Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can level up your insect catching hobby in Heartopia. So you'll need a lot of friends to join any kind of insect event in Heartopia. There's two right now, but sometimes there's only one. And basically, you are going to purchase the inflatable insect attractor from Naniwa. Why can't he stop moving? Okay. So you'll need to purchase this. And basically, if you use that item and you have a lot of other players playing or joining the event, it's going to spawn a lot of these specific butterflies. Can't show you guys because the event is right now empty, but trust me, if there's a lot of players, it's going to spawn a lot. But you're the one that has to take out the insect attractor. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to start the event and I'm just going to use it. So later on, I think you get around 3 or 5 per person. So if there's more than one person, you are able to get a lot of those specific butterflies and you are able to basically level up your insect catching hobby. I think it is the hardest hobbies out of the basic ones. I think pet caring hobbies are still the hardest. Here I'll show you what the butterfly looks like. It's going to be near the attractor and you will see a lot if you play with a lot of friends and they join you. So yeah, that is how you can level up your insect catching hobby. Just join a lot of these events. When somebody invites you, just join it. And also pop these bubbles. These are important. So yeah, that is it. I hope you reached the highest hobby of the insect catching. See, as you can see, there's a lot, but you'll have more when other, I keep saying it, when other players join your event. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!